What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and today is February the 22nd of February. And I wanted to do a little quick unboxing. This right here is from one of my friends before I started YouTube. I've been friends with her for a long time, and she's been very supportive of me on my YouTube channel. And I definitely appreciate her for that. And she told me that I would have a package in the mail. And for me, I don't really, like, if you ask me for something, I normally turn it down. But if you send it in the mail, there's a 90% chance I'll keep it. But this right here is from my friend Oliver Tucker. Also on YouTube, it's under ThejJordan.78. I definitely appreciate you for the gift that you sent for me. And let's see what is in the box. I already opened it up, but I didn't. I got it 2 days ago, but I haven't put it on yet. So let's check it out. What it is. It is some clothes. We got the first one. Green. Some green pants. Look at that. From 32 Heat or whatever. I never heard. 32 Heat. It's a large. So I got me some green pants now. So we're gonna rock that with some outfit. The next outfit I have, well, the next thing I have, champion shirt, red. Ooh, look at that, champion. I'm gonna wear it. Red's not my favorite color, but I would wear it, you know what I mean? Because the dude got green. I like green. I like the gold too. But you know what I mean? I wear red because I do just want to have different outfits and different colors. But my favorite colors is really blue, black, and green. Look at this. Another one. Champion shirt. I like these right here. And this color was actually my color from when I was growing up in school. It was black and gold. So that was my color. And then the other thing, this one right here is a hoodie. Let's see what it look like. See what it look like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I definitely appreciate this because all these right here is goes into my workout and my fitness. So one of the most thing I cherish out of all the stuff is gear, because I always like to coordinate my outfit. So normally when I coordinate my outfit, I want to match them with like whatever I do. So with that being said, that's what I got. So I want to say personally thank you to Autumn Tucker. She on Facebook because we've been cool a long time. And also I want to say thank you to you. You don't got a lot of people on your YouTube channel, but you only signed up for your YouTube channel just to support me, and I really do appreciate that. And her name on YouTube is ThejJordan.78. So just go, if you want to, you go there and show her some love, say thank you, whatever. But with that being said, thank you. I definitely appreciate it. And now since I did the unboxing of it, I can put it in the wardrobe category on what I'm going to wear for when I do my workout. So thank you very much. So remember, whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, own moderation, stress, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I'll holler at y'all later. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Hee-hee.